Looking to buy a home in Greenwood Lake? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the ins and outs of navigating the home buying process in this scenic locale. Whether you're eyeing the New York or New Jersey side of Greenwood Lake, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Engage a local real estate agent. Greenwood Lake real estate is unique, and having a seasoned professional who is familiar with the area's quirks and charms can be a game changer. Werner Realtors can provide valuable insights about the community and negotiate the best price for your dream home. Next, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start house hunting, seriously, it's important to know how much you can afford. Reach out to a mortgage lender and get a pre-approval letter. This not only helps set a realistic budget, but also shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Now that you have an agent and pre-approval, it's time to start the search. Step 3. Explore the listings. Greenwood Lake offers a variety of homes in different styles and price ranges. Whether you're looking for a quaint cottage or a sprawling lakefront estate, there's something for everyone. Or, once you've found the perfect home, it's time for step 4, making an offer. Your agent will help you craft a competitive offer based on the home's value, recent sales in the area, and your budget. Remember, it's not always about offering the highest price. Terms and conditions can make your offer stand out. After your offer is accepted, it's on to step 5, home inspection. This is a crucial step to ensure there are no hidden problems with the property. A professional home inspector will examine the home from top to bottom and provide a detailed report. Finally, step 6, closing the deal. Once the inspection is complete and any issues are resolved, it's time to finalize the purchase. Your agent and your mortgage lender will guide you through the closing process, which includes signing the paperwork, transferring funds, and finally getting the keys to your new Greenwood Lake home. So let's recap the steps to buying a home in Greenwood Lake. 1. Engage a local real estate agent. 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. 3. Explore the listings. 4. Make an offer. 5. Schedule a home inspection. And 6. Close the deal. Remember, buying a home is a significant decision, and every step is crucial. But with the right guidance and a clear understanding of the process, you'll soon be enjoying the serene views and friendly community of Greenwood Lake. Happy house hunting!